I'm going to show you how to repair this tire when the shop says they can't repair it and they try and sell you another tire. Their reason being that they cannot patch the tire when the hole is on the edge. Where'd it go? This is a tubeless tire repair kit. So I got them to find the hole for nothing, no charge. They found the hole, they marked it for me. There it is, right there. It's on the edge, so they couldn't patch it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix it with a tubeless tire repair kit. I bought it for $4 at a discount store, and it's the second time I'm using the kit, so I think I'll get this thing fixed for pretty much free, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Right? The first tool you use is this rasp type instrument that comes in the tool kit, in the repair kit. And where the hole is, just take the point, work your way in, find where the hole is, and just turn it, get it in. As you can see, it's going in. There's your hole. So that's step number one, is using this tool here. The next step is to take one of these. They're like rope, kind of gooey rope pieces. Feed it through this tool here, which you can see the tool's been used before. Pinch it, wiggle it in. Floats about halfway. Okay, now take some rubber cement. Make sure you lube it all up with the rubber cement. And now you're going to poke it in the hole and have it stick out about halfway. Showing you that. Then you pull it straight out. And then you let it dry, and then you cut the excess off, and that's how you patch your tire. And this is a very good thing to have. Have one of these kits in your trunk at all times. You could get a flat in the middle of nowhere, and if you can find the hole in the middle of nowhere, or if you can hear it or whatever, you could probably get that tire repaired and get you back home with pretty minimal expense. Okay, now I'm going to put about 40 pounds of pressure into the tire. I've waited a little while. Now let me check it. Okay, I've got about 44 pounds of pressure. That's plenty for testing my leak. Now let me get some soapy water and to see if I can make some bubbles here, and to test to see if I've got a leak. I'm sticking soapy water all over the hole here, or the patch. So there's no leak as far as I can see. I can cut these off. So there you have it. Here's your repair kit. These pieces here. There's your repair. It's all good, and I hope this information helps you all out. Take care.